Well, hey there, everyone. Welcome to this very special presentation. I'm not sure where in the world you're watching, so good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, good night from wherever you are around the world. On behalf of everyone here at the Easiest System Ever team, we are so glad that you are here with us today. So, I'm going to honor your time and I'm going to jump right into things. But let me say this: if you want your computer to do what this computer on the screen is doing, then congratulations, you are in the right place at the right time. So let's jump right into today's presentation. And real quick, three important things before we get started. Number one, just let me know if you can hear me and see me, because that's probably the most important thing. I'll wait for you guys in the chat. And yep, okay, awesome. There we go. You can hear and see coming through loud and clear. Awesome. So excited. Very cool. Awesome. Well, we're glad you were with us. Glad you all can hear me and see me. That was the first thing. Let's jump to the second thing, and that is this. This is very important. The testimonials that you are going to see on today's presentation are real, and they're not a guarantee of income. So legally, as you guys can see here, I had to hire my super expensive lawyer, and he's going to make me read this earnings and income disclaimer. While all case studies and testimonials and screenshots you'll see are from real people, that is not a guarantee that you'll make any specific amount of money. Specific results will vary. Ultimately, your success is up to you. That's why it's called Your Success. Duh. Real quick, just let me know in the chat if you are good with this disclaimer and that you understand that this is real. This is a real business. And this is something. Okay, cool. You guys are good to go. You guys are excited. I love this. All right. Third thing, real quick, as we're getting started. We cannot do this business for everyone. And let me explain what I mean by that. This is very important. And I'm telling you this now because what has happened in the past is that when people hear and understand this and they understand the exclusivity, then they get mad at me and they're like, well, why didn't you tell me that before? So let me just go ahead and just tell you guys what's going on here. So for the system you're about to discover, our team of experts actually do all of the initial setup and system building for you. And because of this, we are extremely picky about who we work with. And so just a fair warning that this can't be for everyone. Like, if 100 people wanted to join this system today, we physically could not do it. All right. It's not what this system is. This is exclusive. It is done for you. And so we're really, really picky. So that's just let you know we cannot do this for everyone. But I just wanted to be upfront about that. So are we all clear on those three things? Are we all good to go? Are we all excited? Excellent. So let's jump into this. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this special presentation about the easiest system ever, the number one done for you online home business. My name is Devon, and whether you're here with us live or you're watching this on replay, if you are looking for something real, something that is legit, something that gets results, you are absolutely in the right place at the right time. And if you are here with us live, I'm going to ask that you type in the chat, ask questions, engage with me, and have a lot of fun, all right? Because this is going to have fun. We're going to have fun during our short time here together today. So you are about to discover how ordinary people from all over the world are using the easiest system ever to pocket commissions of up to $100, $500, or even $1,000 a day, and how you can copy what we're doing in about 12 minutes, regardless of past experiences or past failures. So this is an actual screenshot of one of my accounts from using this system, and I want you to just imagine for a second having days like this for yourself, making $700 in a day or $900 in a day, or waking up and going to check your computer and seeing $1,600 in a day or $1,300, or waking up to see close to